One day, there is a family who belong to a poor family. The couple had one child named Lenny. This couple, Jerry and Cindy, discovered that their daughter is not Jenny in the house.
Maybe it's already 7 p.m. Why you not go to your room to sleep?
I know, Mom, but you know already that I am enjoying drawing. Look my drawing, Mom. Look at the house, very small, very poor. I'm not comfortable. I want to be, when I become in a big someday, I want to be an engineer, so I can build this kind of house, what I do. The days passed. The
Lugaw.
in high school, she became smart and smarter. When she go to school, her mother always make a puto cheese to sell in the school, but Jenny is the one who sell the homemade puto cheese. In school.
Photo cheese! Photo cheese! Photo cheese! Photo cheese! Your turn.
I'm hungry. Let's buy something.
Oh, there's
Photo cheese. Oh, girls, like photo cheese. How much is this, girl?
10 pesos only, girls.
Okay, so for me and so for my friend. Okay, it's for you. And one for you.
Tunay.
Thank you. Wait, girls, wait.
Wait.
It's 50. You buy me no waste of photo cheese, but you give me 10 pesos only. No, I paid you exactly. No, 10 plus 10 is for swimming.
There's other 10.
Okay, thank you. Evelyn came in a poor family. Their situation is not the entrance for her to continue her dream, to become a better person someday. In school, during solving sums, Lenny was the only one who got the perfect answers always. She raises her hand to participate, and the teachers always choose her to be the contestant in every math quiz. Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, now let's continue our discussion yesterday about the solving set.
Let's use it here, please.
Who can answer?
Ma'am.
Okay, Lenny. Prove it and prove your answer here.
Ato siya nga siya. Batian mong acting nila oy. Islay. Islay ang kiang.
Okay. Now give the situation about find the distance of the line segment connecting the points A, the quantity of 4 and 6, and B, the quantity of 2 and 8. So classmates, easy for me. X sub 1 equals sub 2. X sub 1 equals 4, and X sub 2 equals 2. And Y sub 1 equals 6, and Y sub 2 is equals 8. So mom asked, what is the distance of this number? So distance divided by the quantity of x squared minus x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So when we minus in that, we get an answer, the quantity of 2 minus 4 squared plus 8 minus 6 squared. So equals the negative 2 squared plus the quantity of 2 squared is equals 4 plus 4 and equals 8. So 8 can divide into 2. So divided by 8. So the distance of asking mom is the answer, the distance is 2 the square root of 2. Am I right?
Wrong.
Okay, correct. Clap your hands for Lenny. Then, can I please put it here? Okay.
Pati ah.
When Christy have been done, the teacher announced who got the high score and then is the highest among the others. Evan, she's so smart and not genuine. Her father didn't appreciate all Lenny's effort. Janwy don't care about the achievements of her daughter. Yes, I got a perfect score. My mother's very proud of me.
Look at
My
me.
Christmas sleeper is got a high score and we still look at me, Mommy.
Oh, that's great.
Yes,
Congratulations.
Daddy. Daddy! Look at my newspaper, Daddy! Look at my newspaper, Dad. I got a high score na whiskey.
Bis
Then let's go to her room and study.
Henry, you need to be happy of what our daughter achieved. She did everything for us, so be proud of her.
super dog show. 75 daw mo. Gawing effort yan. Ano na nagawas?
During graduation day, this certificate is awarded to Lenny M. Pahid, Best in Math West B, with highest honor and Best in Math. Congratulations, Lenny. Thank you. And now, we will listen the speech of our highest honor. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for this wonderful event in my life. So, as a high honor, I have something to say that will inspire to my classmates and all students hear what I say. So, life is like a math problem. So, even though many challenges, many problems, many trials we encounter, if like a math, if we follow the formula, we can get the correct answer. So, like a life situation, if we are very we can achieve that goal because the future belongs
Ato bang diri oy?
the future belongs to those who serve the way. Thank you, and especially I would like to thank you my mother that very supportive and me. Mom, this certificate and this medal is awarding to you. And to my father, even though you are not here, which is my success, but I know you are so very proud of me. Thank you very much. After the graduation day, Lenny and her
Medyo saga kay makulipa ko ga.
also surprised her father, but I'm sorry, Dad is so serious. Congratulations, my daughter. I'm so proud of you, and I'm sorry, Dad. Daddy, wake up, Daddy, wake up. Daddy, Lenny graduated from college. She's the valedictorian of Cagayan University. I was an academic on her graduation day. Now, she became a career and top dancer during the LET exams. I was 7 years old. Now, my memories become reality. Look how hard now. of me because I am an engineer right now, ma'am.
And your father is very proud of her.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to visit our father so we can win this our success.